Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts to your favorite websites. Check it out. Now that we're over at the computer, this is going to be a very simple, very quick and easy process. What I want you to do is go ahead and locate an empty space on your desktop, which is basically where your icons are going to be. Just find an empty space, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and right click. Come on down and hover over the word new. And as you hover over, kind of slide to the right and then left click on the word that says shortcut. Once you do that, a new window is going to appear. And this is where we're going to type in any website that you want to make your favorite. So if we wanted to make, for example, we wanted to make like an icon for Facebook, we could do www.facebook.com. And then what you want to do here is you want to click on next. And then let's go ahead and name it. You can name this whatever you want. So in this case, let's just keep it simple. And I'm going to do Facebook. And then once we're done with that, left click on finish. And what you'll notice is it's going to give you an icon that says Facebook below it. It may have a globe, or it may actually have the icon of your default internet or your default internet browser. Could be Google Chrome. It could be Mozilla Firefox, or it could be, what's another one? Safari, Microsoft Edge. Any default program was typically going to show you the icon for that. So let's go ahead and test it and make sure that it works out. I'm going to go ahead and left click, double left click. And you'll see right here that it did load the actual page that we wanted to save as a shortcut. So let's run through that one more time just to make sure you have it. So we're going to go ahead and move our Facebook icon over here. And we're going to right click again, come on down, hover over new, and left click on shortcut. And this time let's go www.google.com, left click on next, and let's name it again, Google, and left click on finish. And as you can see, this one actually defaulted for some reason to the Google Chrome icon, basically indicating it's going to go open up Google Chrome to open this actual web page. So double left click on it, and you'll notice it will actually take you to that direct website as well. Hey guys, thanks for watching that tech tip. If you liked it, give it a like, give it a share, leave any kind of comment or feedback in the comment section below the video. Of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next time.